Wake up! The stock market isn't some chaotic casino. It's a 1,000-year-old cipher, a hidden code engineered by empires to crush the masses and crown the elite. And right now, in February 2026, AI is supercharging this blueprint, manipulating trades in milliseconds while you watch your savings evaporate. They don't want you to know this, because knowledge is power, and power is profit. Welcome to the Hidden Blueprint, where we rip open the veils of history, technology, science, society, and finance to expose the systems rigged against you. Today, we're decoding the ultimate scam, from ancient Baghdad spies to AI-powered market mayhem. If you're tired of being played, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and let's shatter the illusions before it's too late. Buckle up, because this blueprint didn't start with Wall Street wolves. It's etched in the sands of 9th century Baghdad. Enter Al-Kindi, the forgotten genius of the Islamic Golden Age, who invented frequency analysis, the first systematic way to crack secret codes by counting letters and patterns. This wasn't child's play, it was a weapon. Empires like the Abbasid Caliphate used it to intercept enemy messages, predict troop movements, and dominate trade routes. Imagine spies decoding merchant ledgers to sabotage competitors, turning whispers into weapons that built fortunes overnight. Fast forward to Renaissance Europe, where black chambers, secret spy rooms, became the blueprint for economic warfare. King Louis XIV of France didn't just build Versailles, he funded a network of code breakers to eavesdrop on diplomats and bankers across borders. They cracked ciphers hidden in love letters and ledgers, exposing trade secrets that let France corner markets in silk, spices, and gold. Myth exploded right here. You think markets are fair play? Wrong. These hidden ciphers let the powerful rig the game, crashing rivals' economies while their coffers overflowed. By the 18th century, Britain's black chambers were decoding American colonial finances during the Revolution, stealing intelligence that prolonged the fight and padded royal pockets. Enter the 20th century inferno. World War II supercharges the cipher arms race. Alan Turing's bomb cracks Nazi enigma not just for battles, but for economic sabotage, intercepting U-boat supply lines that starved Germany's war machine. Post-war, the US and Soviets bury these tools in the shadows, evolving them into Cold War crypto systems for everything from nuclear targeting to currency manipulation. Declassified files scream it. The NSA's early computers weren't for defense. They were blueprints for decoding global financial wires, giving America an invisible edge in dollar dominance. But hold on, because the real explosion hits in the digital age. Blockchain? It's modern cipher evolution, promising privacy, but hiding layers of code that only the elite can truly master. Fast forward to 2026. AI doesn't just play the game, it owns the board. High-frequency trading bots, powered by neural networks descended from those ancient frequency tricks, execute millions of trades per second. They're not predicting markets, they're manipulating them. Picture this. An AI spots a whisper of news, floods the system with micro-trades, creates artificial panic, and cashes out before you blink. Billions vanish in volatility spikes, like last week's $1 trillion software stock bloodbath, all while hedge funds laugh to the bank. And the costs? AI models gobble $1 to $10 billion each to train, funds funneled from your pension plans into black box empires. Venture capitalists pour trillions because these ciphers promise godlike control. Algorithmic trading now handles 80% of US volume, widening the wealth chasm. The top 1%? Their bots feast on your fear. South Korea's just launched massive probes into AI-fueled crypto manipulation. Whales using social media bots to pump and dump, echoing ancient black chambers, but at warp speed. Myth demolished. AI makes markets efficient? Lie. It amplifies biases. Recruitment algos in finance reject qualified folks based on zip codes, locking out entire generations while the code keepers thrive. Geopolitics amps the aggression. China's state-backed AI ciphers are cracking Western sanctions in real time, rerouting trade like digital Silk Roads. US export bans? Laughable. The blueprint leaks through open-source shadows, just as Enigma code did post-war. Energy hogs. These AI beasts suck power like vampires. One data center rivaling 100,000 homes, inflating your bills to fuel elite gains. Society crumbles under this weight. Inequality skyrockets, trust evaporates, and we're one glitch from systemic meltdown. So what's the end game in 2026? Total cipher control. Regulators scramble with EU expansions and US antitrust hammers, but they're playing catch-up to machines that evolve overnight. History roars the warning. Unchecked ciphers birth bubbles, busts, and new overlords. But you can flip the script. Hedge now. Dive into decentralized finance to bypass the bots. Master basic crypto literacy to spot manipulations. Diversify into real assets like energy plays powering these monsters. Build skills in ethical AI auditing. Demand transparency or stay enslaved. This isn't a theory. It's the blueprint they've hidden to keep you compliant. The stock market cipher? It's not broken. It's built this way. Elites coded it centuries ago. AI weaponized it today, and your future hangs in the balance. Rise up, demand the truth, protect your wealth, and rewrite the rules. What hits you hardest? Ancient spies or modern bots? Sound off in the comments, smash like if you're furious and ready to fight back, and subscribe for relentless deep dives into these rigged systems across history, AI, finance, and beyond. Tease your feed with my shorts-busting daily myths. Thanks for tuning in. Don't just watch, weaponize your knowledge. See you in the next blueprint.